Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Zach, and today I wanted to give you guys a little background into, what's going on. I told you guys in a nice live stream that was total clickbait, by the way. Total clickbait, in a way. I mean, I guess it necessarily wasn't clickbait, but a little bit clickbait because, the title was, I'm not gonna lie. I did that on purpose. But yeah, I quit my job. You guys know that. A lot of people know that. I quit my job and going full-time as a YouTuber and stay-at-home dad. That's my primary job, is stay-at-home dad. But also YouTube. If you guys kind of wonder, like, how? What is this guy thinking? How is this guy going to do all of this, like, YouTube stuff and actually survive? Well, I have a complete business plan set out for this channel, and I've been planning this for a long time. Really, a long time, because it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. And I've always wanted to help people, and I say that all the time. And I can finally put that plan into motion, and it's more so because I have to stay home with the baby, but I can also use that to focus on you, the YouTubes. So that's where this all comes into play. So, you guys are going to see the tutorials, you're going to see more videos and more live streams and things like that. So you'll see me pumping out more content, period, right? You'll also see me promoting more things. But with that, it's the same. It's the same thing that you've seen from me from the beginning to the middle to now. I'm not going to promote anything unless I believe in it. I'm not going to just promote something because money is involved. It's not who I am. That's not what I believe in. So before you start down that route, don't, because that's not what I do. You'll also see a lot of content from me that is premium content. And what I mean by that is, yeah, I will offer paid premium content. So think Patreon. Yeah, we'll do the Patreon thing. You can find a link to that in the description. It's not really set up and ready to go, but I'll put a link there and you guys can see that, yeah, it's kind of ready to go. I just have to put a few more pieces together, and we'll do the Patreon thing, and I'll start selling some different merchandise. I'll start getting my courses and stuff ready to go on Thinkific, like the interview course that I have been working on, because that's a big thing for me, and I really want that thing to be really, really good. And I think it's really important to craft that as probably well as I possibly can before I publish that and make that available for purchase, and it's not that I'm selling out or whatnot, but I have to make a living now. So there's still going to be free content here all day, every day, still be answering questions. But if you want that next level, then that's kind of the route we'll go, So that's kind of my little update on what's happening, you guys already know I do lots of different content for different brands and companies and things like that. I'll still do stuff like that, and I'll still do my own thing. So that's kind of a little update I wanted to put out for you guys, just so you're aware, like, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm gonna do. If you guys don't like that, like, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna change as a person, as a YouTuber, as an individual, as a content creator, as somebody who cares to help people. Still the same person that I was 6 months ago, 2 days ago, 2 years ago, when I first started doing this, for as long as I've been doing this. So I hope you guys stay tuned and stay forward to, keep subscribing to this and look forward to this, because there's just going to be an endless supply of content, I hope. So that's all I had for you guys. I just want to give you an update. So as always, take it easy.